Okay, you are looking at a frame from the movie Das Boot, and it was put out in the year 1981. The individual on the screen is the captain of the boat in this fictional account of U-96 searching the Atlantic for convoys and shipping to destroy. Now I want to call your attention to one object, and it's just to the left of the captain of the boat. Take a look at it. What do you see? An old-fashioned pocket watch. And usually when they're moving back and forth, that was used in hypnotism. So the movie will show it there just very slightly, and will show it going back and forth. Now I want to try to enlarge the watch for you so you can see it. Okay, there's the watch enlarged, and I'm going to try to enlarge it another size. Now it's a little blurry, I understand, but I believe that the watch is at 9 and 11, 9/11. This could be a preview of what's going to happen in the United States on September the 11th, year 2001. It could be that it's just the death code trying to convince you of the reality of death in the Atlantic with undersea boats or U-boats submerged looking to destroy the ocean traffic, the convoys of supplies. So you can take it for what you want to take it, but remember, a pocket watch moving back and forth is most always used in hypnotism in the olden days. Now, hypnotism doesn't need that today because it's gotten so advanced with the demonic powers. But yes, hypnotism is the usage of demonic powers upon the mind. And that's what happens to all of us when we watch movies, when we read novels, when we open the newspaper, when we watch the news on television or on the internet or on our cell phone. It's hypnotism with demonic powers. The great stronghold power of Hypnos getting into our minds and convincing us of the reality of death that is really false reality, where there are no deaths. Now, as we're observing today, we're being told about all these so-called deaths from a so-called virus. It's Hypnos at work. Go to the one who broke the power of Hypnos. Go to the one who, by his death on the cross, defeated the power of Satan and all his demonic forces, the Lord Jesus Christ, who is the way, the truth, and the life. Thank you for watching.